Here is a really cool way to answer an incoming call and also end an incoming call. These are known as ear gestures, also known as ear control or ear call control. So pretty cool stuff here. Let's go ahead and get started. With the latest Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15 on your OnePlus phone, you should have these gestures. And to find them, use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here, okay? And as always, you can also type in the search bar and type in ear call control, this right here. And when you see it, tap on it once, and it's gonna take you exactly to where you need to be next. Now, once you're here now, you can go ahead and browse to see how to mute calls or answer the incoming call. It's going to show you the gestures, how you flick your hand and stick your palm up in the ear. Now to actually turn this on, to the bottom section here is going to say ear call controls. Go there and you want to make sure this feature here to the bottom is turned on. You also have the ability to learn how to perform the gestures. Again, it's going to show you here that you got that incoming call or to dismiss it and or mute it, and it's going to show you how to do that. All right, so like and tap.